O Keiki o ka Aina, mako na Keiki o iyo.
Tute was composed by Danny Ku during the 1958 period when we were not yet a state. It is normally danced by children or as a comic hula by kupuna. It talks about a grandma who goes to town. She has a couple drinks, she gets a little tipsy, she dances, and then she comes back home to her house by the Kapakahi way. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to take 4 kaholo. That's 4 steps to the left, or to the right, and 4 steps to the left. Okay, so we're going to say ho'okahi. Kaholo, ho'okahi Sunday afternoon, afternoon. There, point, there goes my tutu, a kaholo. Grandma's old. She was trucking, so we're going to do 4 leles in place. Right, left, left. Trucking on down to town on the Alakui, Ka'i, Kapakahi way, crooked road. So, kaholo, ho'okahi Sunday afternoon. Again, kaholo. Point. There goes my tutu, a. 4 steps. Trucking on down to town on the Alanui Kapakahi way. And we're going to do that twice. She's singing an old melody. So again, we're going to do 2 kaholo. She's singing an old melody. Now we're going to take our right foot, point it out in front of us like this. We're going to hit our thighs, tap our hands, snap, and bow gently. Up a liliu. Now we're going to do kaholos again. Tutu, show you how to do. Now we're going to do 4 kaholo, 4 ami in a turn. Right, 2, 3, and step. That's verse 2. She's singing kaholo, an old melody. Point your foot, slap your thighs, clap your hands, snap your fingers, bow. Tutu will show you how to do the hula oni 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 a. Do that twice. Verse 3. We're going to do a kaholo to the side. We're going to do a kaholo to the side and then come back to the front. So, tutu ka inu anae. She drinks. Now we're going to do 4 couples. 1 to the right, 2 to the left, 3 to the right, 4 to the left. Again, kaholo. Now, Tutu's getting tipsy, so we're going to go, whoa, kaholo, and kaholo, and now we're going to go, back, just dance. You're going to have to go through this later and check it out because I may have to do this again. Okay. Verse 4, Aina. Here we go. We're going to the left corner, we're just going to take a quick kaholo. We're going to make our tutu's going home now. So tutu kaholo is going home now to her hale by the Kapakahi way. Aina iya mai kapuana. Step back with your right foot. Bow. That's the mele of my tutu. Kaholo again. Tutu is going home now to her hale by the Kapakahi way. Aina, ia mai kapuana. Step back, that's the mele of my tutu. Now on the second one, we're going to go one kaholo. Step back with your left foot. That's your song.
Kapakahi Sunday afternoon, there goes my tutu. She was trucking on down to town on the Alamui Kapakahi way. Kapakahi Sunday afternoon, there goes my tutu. She was trucking on down to town on the Alamui Kapakahi way. She's singing an old melody, all Anapau, liliu. Tutu will show you how to do that. She's singing